Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to Chrome OS on Laptop Easy Guide. Create a recovery USB, enable developer mode, and backup data before proceeding. First, check storage space and hardware compatibility, then download the correct Chrome OS image. Use a reliable USB 3.0 stick and a second computer to create the installer. Keep your Wi-Fi details handy and read each prompt carefully during install to avoid data loss. In this video, I will show how to Chrome OS on Laptop Easy Guide. Open the official image source and select the build that matches your laptop CPU and firmware. Prepare an empty USB with at least 8 GB and run the image creator tool, following on-screen prompts carefully. Verify the checksum if available to avoid corrupted installs. Once the USB is ready, label it and safely eject before moving to the target laptop. In this video, I will show how to Chrome OS on Laptop Easy Guide. Quick recommendation: grab those leak-proof meal prep containers to keep meals tidy while you work on a laptop. They lock tight and save cleanup time. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support future guides. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to Chrome OS on Laptop Easy Guide. Power off the laptop, insert the installer USB, and boot into BIOS to prioritize USB boot. Follow the Chrome OS installer steps, choose wipe or dual boot carefully, and sign in with your Google account when prompted. After installation, reinstall drivers if needed and run system updates. Test Wi-Fi, touchpad, and display to confirm everything functions as expected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.